And don't forget to subscribe to Bagoday Crochet. You can subscribe by clicking this red button right here. And don't forget to click this little bell right there next to it. That way you'll always be notified whenever Bagoday puts on a new video. Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I'm going to be doing a yarn review. First I have to say that I am not affiliated with Redheart or any yarn company at all. I buy all the yarn for all my yarn reviews myself, and I do not offer affiliated links. So that means I don't get paid if you buy the yarn. So you can be assured that my reviews are 100% unbiased and honest. But they're just my own personal opinions. So, and always remember, mine can be different from yours, and that is just fine. Okay, so today it's Redheart Hygge Charm. Okay, let's go ahead and read about it here. It's 7 ounces, 7 ounces, 198 grams, 432 yards, 395 meters. It does have a pattern on the inside of the label, it appears. It's made in Turkey, and it is classified as a medium weight, number 4. Recommended hook size for crochet is 5.5 millimeter, and knitting is 5 millimeter. Machine wash on cold, gentle cycle, tumble dry on low. It's 97 acrylic, 3% other fibers. Alrighty. Well, first off, it doesn't feel bad. It's not something I would say like extremely soft, but it's not itchy, it's not rough. You could definitely wear a scarf or something out of it. But it's not like the softest I ever felt, but yeah, it's nice. It's not bad. You can see the sparkle in it is slight. You see that? That's pretty cool. I like the sparkles in it. All of them have sparkle. It's not real heavy. It's just slight little small streamers that run through it. But like I said, yeah, it's soft enough. You could definitely make a scarf out of it, or sweater, or whatever. It's nice and squishy. So they said it's a medium 4, and I would agree with that. You can see that it is a little fuzzy, so I don't know if that's gonna play any difficulty when it's time, if you make a mistake when it's time to pull it out. Sometimes fuzzy yarns like that can give you some trouble if you make a mistake. But I did a little crocheting with it already, and it crochets fine. I'm not having any problems with the way that it's crocheting up. See, it's actually really pretty so far. But it does have that fuzz, which is a little concerning. Only so for when you make a mistake, it's hard to pull out. I am using their recommended hook size of a 5.5 millimeter. But as you can see, it just glides right through. It's not splitting. It's not doing anything. At first, I thought it was a roving type yarn where it's kind of, you know, looks felted together, but it's not. You can see the strands when you untwist it. They are twisted together. So, see that? But the crochet is fine. It's not bothering me. Can't say anything bad about the way it crochets. It looks pretty good once it's crocheted up. I think you'll be able to see, if you do special stitches like bobblers or cables, you'll be able to see them pretty well when it comes out. Let's see. I'm thinking it might get hung up on itself, but I'm known to be wrong. Look at that. It comes right out. Now that is good. I like that. Down to nothing. That's what you want to see. Nice, nice. I bought this one here to make my daughter a sweater. Oh, it's really pretty with those sparkles. It being 100% acrylic and having that fuzz makes it look like it has wool in it, but it does not. Well, not 100%, almost 100%. 97. The other is those little sparkles in it. Okay, so it seems to be available a lot of places. You can see I got mine at Hobby Lobby. I think it's available at Joann's. But I'm looking on Red. They seems to be about the same price everywhere too. $9.99 seems to be about the standard, unless you find it on sale somewhere. It's averaging about $9.99, pretty close to everywhere. So on Redheart.com, it says it's available in 16 different colors, which is awesome. All the colors are solid. And they're all sparkly. All very, very pretty colors. I didn't see that Joann didn't have that many colors available. Hobby Lobby didn't have that many colors available. I don't know if you might have to get some of the other colors at Redheart.com, but it is $9.99 at Redheart too. So now things that you can make with this would be a sweater, a nice fall shawl, fall poncho, a blanket, a cowl, scarf, hat, pretty much anything that you could want to make with it. I think it's a very nice yarn. Price, I said, is $9.99. I think that for 432 yards of sparkly acrylic, it's a little much. It is a little high priced. I did get mine at Hobby Lobby when they had 30% off, so paid just a little over $6 for it, which is probably a little bit better, I think. So if you could keep it or get it around the $6 mark or something, $6.50, that's probably okay. I don't think that's a bad price. I definitely wouldn't pay full price for it, but I say that on every review. I don't ever pay full price if you don't have to. Only pay full price unless you absolutely have to. You have to get it. You need it for something so bad and you can't find it on sale. Otherwise, wait for a sale. Always wait for a sale. So, it's kind of a short review. I like it. I can't find anything wrong with it. It crochets fine. It looks good crocheted. I love the blingy yarn. I'm absolutely love blingy yarn. It's one of my favorites. Sequence yarn and streamer yarn like this, sparkly yarn. My favorites. And it feels nice. Definitely going to make Evelyn a sweater out of this. This will probably become a cowl or something. They have some really pretty colors on Redheart.com, that I didn't see when I went to Hobby Lobby, and I didn't see when I looked on Joann. So I might get a couple more colors off there. And when they have a sale, I'm not going to pay full price for it. But yeah, $6.50 I think is pretty fair, considering I think it's a high quality yarn. I mean, it looks nice. Very surprised that it pulled right out whenever I frogged it, which is always a plus. So yeah, I like it. I like the Hygge charm. I don't like having to pronounce that. Looking at it does not look like Hygge, but I always pronounce it wrong. But yeah, I think it's a very nice yarn. I like this one better than the regular Hygge yarn, the furry one. I don't have a problem with that one, but I like this one a lot better. And I will definitely buy it again when I can find it on sale. They got, like I said, they got lots of pretty colors. But remember, these are only my opinions, and you never have to listen to me. You never have to agree with me. That's what makes the world go around. Everybody has different opinions. So I always recommend, if you have the means, when it's on sale, to buy one skein and give it a try, because just because I love it don't mean that you will. And if you have tried this, I always like to hear your thoughts in the comments. Please keep them nice. If you don't agree with me, that's fine. But please keep your comments nice about that. I mean, I'm open to all comments as long as they're nicely put, and all opinions. So that's it. I like it. That's my review. I'll buy it again. I think that if you like sparkly yarn, and I think you'll like it too. I really think that you'll probably like it. I think it's going to make nice winter projects, actually. This would be a good fall or winter yarn. And that's exactly what I'm going to do with it. Oh, that one's called Meteor, in case you wondered. And this one is called Eclipse. They all have kind of names like that. You know, Evening Star, Falling Star, Fireball. Kind of, you know, out in the universe type of names. But yeah, they're all very pretty. I like them. I'm going to buy them again. Good job to Redheart. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye-bye.